So do you know why all the chicken we eat are female? So another advice is bring food.
Yeah.
Which I didn't do.
I brought food and extra water. And some milk and everything.
And a selfie stick, and a tripod, and
My cabin.
a cabin. Down the Asia. This is perfect. So this is like a bean soup with bread, and it's nice and warm, so it's perfect. It's like beans and macaroni. So a cup of tea is 5 and coffee is 7, and what we had was the pasta fazool, which is 15.
3 hours.
Oh wow,
What the fuck?
that's crazy. So we're done with our brunch. It's good soup. Wow, cool. So we saw these tents earlier when we were at the top, like I think all the way up there, I think. Wow. This is called the Forever Alone tree. So do you know why all the chicken we eat are female?
No?
Luca, do you know why all the chicken we eat are female?
Because the males are...
There's a lot of more female chickens.
Okay, there's a lot more female chickens, it's true.
The male ones are used for mating and for creating more chickens.
And also, because it would be weird when you ask your friends, what did you have for dinner last night? And I had cock and rice. So as you can see from the location tag, it should say in the middle of fucking nowhere. Wow. It's like some Lord of the Ring Middle Earth shit. Oh shit, where the fuck did they go? I'm serious. Where did they go?
Relax.
Oh, they're there.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Imagine if you're here and you're like, which way do we go? Wind is coming. Prick. Imagine me with my sexy shorts. This is what you call a chibai pack. This is the moment when JJ realized she fucked up.